Hola, my people. I'm gonna move. You can't see me very well. That's a little better. Anyways, as I was saying, so I got this slime. It's really nice. It's about 75 cents. Only 75 cents. Crazy, right? It's really good, but there are flaws. Starting off with what are very good about them. Okay, so I flipped the camera around. This is what I like about this. Very nice.
What's up, Mom?
Just very nice. Like, period. It's stretchy. You can poke it. And it has very nice bubble pop. Time for flaws. It gets cold very easily. It will burst your eardrums with how pretty it is. No, it will just make your eyesight bad because of how pretty.